Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts, to part 2 of Discover 9 Types of Clutches and How They Work. In our previous episode, we covered the basics, and now, in part 2, we're delving into the intricacies of the next set of clutches types. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the centrifugal clutch, exploring its unique operation and applications in small engine-driven machinery. Please give us a like so we can reach others as well. Centrifugal clutch. How it works. The centrifugal clutch operates on the principle of centrifugal force, which causes the clutch to engage as engine speed increases. When the engine is idling, the clutch remains disengaged, allowing the engine to run without transferring power to the transmission. As engine speed rises, the centrifugal force causes the clutch shoes or weights to move outward, engaging the clutch and transmitting power to the transmission system. This seamless operation allows for smooth acceleration without the need for manual engagement, making it an essential component in small engine-driven machinery. Applications. Centrifugal clutches find widespread use in various small engine applications, including go-karts, chainsaws, lawnmowers, and other equipment where automatic engagement based on engine speed is necessary. Their simple and reliable design makes them well suited for these applications, providing efficient power transmission without the need for complex manual controls. The centrifugal clutch's ability to automatically engage based on engine speed makes it an integral component in small engine-driven machinery. Its straightforward operation and applications in various equipment make it a vital element in ensuring smooth and efficient power transmission. Remember, understanding the operation and applications of the centrifugal clutch can provide valuable insight into the functioning of small engine-driven machinery. Electromagnetic clutch. An electromagnetic clutch operates on the principle of electromagnetism, utilizing the attraction and repulsion of magnetic fields to engage and disengage power transmission. This ingenious mechanism comprises a coil that, when energized, generates a magnetic field, pulling the armature towards the rotor and connecting the two friction surfaces. The disengagement occurs when the electric current ceases, releasing the armature and discontinuing the power transfer. Industrial applications. In various industrial settings, electromagnetic clutches are employed in machinery requiring precise control over power transmission. For instance, in printing presses, these clutches enable synchronization between different components, ensuring accurate paper feeding and ink distribution. Moreover, in packaging machinery, they facilitate the seamless engagement and disengagement of power, allowing for efficient operation and minimal downtime during changeovers. Automotive applications. The automotive industry benefits significantly from the implementation of electromagnetic clutches in various systems. One prominent application is in air conditioning compressors, where the clutch enables the on-demand engagement of the compressor with the engine, enhancing fuel efficiency by reducing unnecessary power consumption. Additionally, electromagnetic clutches find use in automotive power steering systems, where they assist in regulating the power delivery to the steering mechanism, contributing to responsive and adaptable vehicle handling. Embracing the electromagnetic clutch technology has revolutionized power transmission control across diverse industries, offering a reliable and efficient means of engaging and disengaging power transfer with precision and agility. Dog clutch. When it comes to the mechanism of a dog clutch, its unique design and function play a crucial role in gear shifting and power transmission in various mechanical systems. Let's delve into the inner workings of this essential component and how it contributes to the seamless operation of the system. Design and function. The dog clutch, also known as a dog gear, is an essential part of manual transmission systems. Its design consists of two plates with interlocking teeth that engage to connect the rotating shafts, allowing for power transmission between them. This design ensures a quick and firm connection between the rotating components, enabling smooth and efficient gear shifting in a transmission system. Role in gear shifting. In a manual transmission system, the dog clutch plays a pivotal role in gear shifting. When the driver operates the gear lever, the dog clutch facilitates the seamless engagement and disengagement of gears, enabling the transition between different gear ratios. This mechanism allows for a smooth and efficient transfer of power from the engine to the wheels, ensuring optimal vehicle performance and control. Power transmission. Beyond gear shifting, the dog clutch is instrumental in power transmission within a mechanical system. By providing a secure and reliable connection between rotating shafts, the dog clutch ensures the efficient transfer of power from the engine to other drivetrain components, such as the differential and wheels. This seamless power transmission is fundamental to the overall performance and functionality of the vehicle or machinery. In summary, the dog clutch's robust design and function make it a critical component in gear shifting and power transmission. Its efficient engagement and disengagement of gears contribute to the smooth operation of manual transmission systems, showcasing the significance of this mechanism in ensuring a responsive and controlled driving experience. As we conclude Part 2 of our clutch exploration, we hope the details on the next 3 types have deepened your understanding. Stay tuned for Part 3 where we'll unravel the final set of clutch types. Until then, may your automotive adventures be smooth, and your clutches engage with precision. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.